Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're at Ramayana Waterpark here in Pattaya. Eventually, after the hassle of getting in, because we've got wheels with us, they were saying, oh, it's free for wheels, free, disabled, free, but cannot go on slides. But Ellie can walk. She just can't walk long distances. And we're trying to explain that to them. And they're going, but she's free. Yes, but she wants to go on some of the slides, like the family raft rides and stuff like that. So we wanted to pay, so she go on them. And then we done that, then somebody stopped us and go, you shouldn't pay, she's free. I'll explain everything to them again. Then when we've just got into the park, somebody tried to stop us again. Just piss off and let me go in the water, would you? This is Thailand's largest water park and Asia's second largest. So here we are, we're at the wave pool. This is where we're going to spend most of the day before going on the slides, etc. If you stand around underneath here for too long, you get yourself a bit of a surprise, because that monkey head is filled with water and then it tips. So one thing to note here is you get this QR code on your wrist. Somebody just got splashed. You get this QR code on your wrist, you top this up with Thai baht. So you put the cash on here, and then that's used at all the locations around the park, like the bars and the food areas and things like that. Oh, I'm buzzing because I've got a smoothie on the way. And whatever you don't use, at the end of the day, you scan that and they give you the money back. And like I say, I'm waiting to get a smoothie. A mango smoothie. Lazy over time.
It's one of the exercises that you can do to
It's like I'm in a bloody car wash.
Yeah, well, that was enough to relax. Complex, you think I'm doing a pool?
I feel like I'm in a human car wash. What? Time for the wax. I'm not gonna lie, people, I did just try and well, I did move positions in this. I've got a double ring and I did just move positions and I almost tipped it, but I survived. I will survive as long as I don't tip into the water and drown. Got an audience. There's actually a slide there that comes back into the lazy river. Wonder if I can get on it. Well, I will be able to, but I don't know how to. And now I'm stuck. You bastard. And now I'm stuck in it. river slide over the bridge. So if you get on this, that's the one that drops you halfway in the middle of the lazy river. Now I get you. So we're going to go on the Python, which we believe is a family ride, but this is Thailand. Anything could bloody happen. You know the one thing I hate about water parks? The main thing I hate about them? Friggin' stairs. At least the tubes get a lift. How are you? I want to be in there. Do you reckon let's go up in that? Are you kidding? Yes, nearly at the top, people. Yes. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm just taking in the views. Just taking in the views. I'm not knackered out. Look at the views. Look. Laser Butter Hill. Laser Butter Hill. All the theme park, all the water park in front of us. Look at that. Thank you. That's all we're doing. Just taking in the views. We've got to weigh ourselves, and yeah, we're going to be out of the weight limit, I think. So I think it's going to be two separate rides, or two separate tubes, I should say. Oh shit, I hate going backwards. I don't like going backwards. I don't like going backwards. I don't like going backwards. I'm going forwards again. That's better. I like going forwards. Forwards is good. My man, what do you think of that? It was great. Dinner time, and I'm getting pad kapow chicken. I normally get it with the pork, but they only offer chicken here because it's cheaper, obviously. And I can't see any big chilies in there, so maybe they've made it Phalang hot and not Thai hot, because Phalang don't like too hot. Tristan's away on the drop tower slides up there. I'm too heavy for them, and I can't take you with them anyways, so I could just say I went on them and you would never have known. I went on them. But no, honestly, I am actually too heavy for the trapdoor mechanism. It's a maximum, I think it's either 90 or 100 kilos, and I'm over the 100 kilos. So yeah, I can't go on them anyways. I would have went on them, honestly. I would have. At least my man here agrees with us there. So we're going to go back on the lazy river, because apparently that's what fat people do. And the park's getting ready to close. So when I dry off and head back to the car. So there you have it, the sun is down and Ramayana Waterpark is now closed. So we're just about at the main entrance now. Do me a favour, hit like, hit share, hit comment, hit subscribe, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Oh.